Brad Williams, Excel primed. Using SUMIFS and DATE, we can sum up specific criteria based on whatever parameters you set. Here, some wholesale costs by year. We have these from 2028 to 2030. We have production dates. We have manufacturing plants. We have car maker, and we have wholesale costs. We want to add up by year. We can use SUMIF functions. Yes, we can include dates within the SUMIFs. It's just a simple criteria. Dates and date. We're going to have a start date and an end date. Question is, do we have to use end of month? No, we're adding year. If we were looking at months, then we would use end of month function. Here, the formula, SUMIF, the sum range. What are we trying to sum up? Wholesale costs. Range in criteria, data pair 1. Range 2 criteria, pair data. Here we have our sum range, criteria range. Our name ranges is data 107, B5, right here, B5 to B25. Item to 107 is D5 to D25. Then we have amount, E5 to E25. Why do we have this item list? You just never know if you're going to need that. Here, we're not using the item list. I was probably experimenting somewhere and just threw that in. 2028, we have date 207, which is our range. In our criteria, greater than or equal to dates. You know the date function. We have to have year, month, and day. You can see the date function is just referencing 2028. And we're going greater than or equal to January 1st. Then our second range is date 107, less than or equal to date 225, 1231, January 31st, whatever year. That's it. We have the narrative. Read it if you need it. If you need to go back over and summarize or familiarize or review the date function or the SUMIF functions, here, as I've said repeatedly, here's the map. All we did is take this apart. We dissected this entire formula and we just put it into its specific category. You need to just map it. Instead of going in here, you could see the flow. Here's the answer for just the first example. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for your time.